That baby fired right up. Tell me I can't record, guys. What's going on here? Come on up. Woo! Man, I wish I'd have caught that when it first fired up, boy. You too quick for me. So, don't you see the color the count on the drums back there, and man, look at that on the caps, man. Somebody think of everything out there.
Really?
Wow. All right. So we come here today, guys, on the 64, trying to figure out what's going on in this trunk. So, all right, hold on. Gotta film what I'm doing. All right, so I forgot a couple of the pieces at home. So, apparently, I don't understand what I'm doing, and don't tell me I'm. All right, this got it. What is this one? Oh, okay. Alright, so I'm missing a whole bunch of stuff. But at least I got down here and I can see. I can halfway see where am I at? These pieces. Alright. So you got a marker? You got a marker? Like a measurement? Alright, so guys, I'm coming in here and I'm trying to get these panels fitted up. I forgot some of the stuff at home. So, but I still see I'm gonna have to trim some of this corner off. But then again, yeah, wow. Yeah. Too big of a gap there. All right, so that's what we're trying to do, is get this fitted up. So the 64 Riviera, guys, is coming along. All right, so so the back panel still need to be, I think my son need to remake that. And then I forgot the piece here. So I'm just trying to figure out where I'm at on this build so far. Okay, I got it though. All right. Man, all things Buick, guys. 64 Riviera looking good. All things Buick. Well, we done did the job on this one, boy. We working on her though. Trying to get her there. So I ain't got all the pieces down here. There's parts for this car everywhere. So I got to get the rest of the wood frame and the rest of this up back here. Then I can start fitting all these pieces in and get these speaker boxes painted and all the panels that's going to seal everything in where you don't see no wiring or see nothing but what's going on back here with all that bass, you know. So I guess that's it, guys. So yeah, we getting there. We getting close. Getting close, guys. Yes, sir. She's looking good. She's looking good, guys. All right.